Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about the greedy algorithm here. Okay, in the previous class we discussed about the divide and conquer technique. What that divide and conquer technique tells us that given problem is going to divide it into the number of sub problems here. This sub problem solutions we are going to identify, or we are going to calculate that one, and again these solutions are going to be merged to find the solution for the main problem here. But in a greedy method, what we are going to do here also, the problem is going to have the n number of inputs here. Among these n inputs, now we are going to make the subset of the inputs here. Once you done this subset should satisfy some constraint here, means that some condition here, like that. If any subset that satisfy these constraints are called as a feasible solution. Once the feasible solution we find this one, feasible solution is going to be called as a optimal solution. What it is exactly telling friends here, in a greedy method we are going to have the n number of inputs here. Among n number of inputs we are going to make the subsets here. While making the subset, that should satisfy some condition or the constraint here. If subset satisfy the constraints here, that kind of solution is going to be called as a feasible solution here. Once the feasible solution we got this one, it is going to be called as a optimal solution. How it is going to be solved? Through the algorithm. Just assume like this one, algorithm greedy here. Okay, it is going to have the array A and n number of inputs here. Okay, we are going to do some initialization here. If the constraint or subset satisfy the constraint, that is going to be added into the solution here. Initially it will set to null character here. Okay, we are going to have the n number of inputs. We are going to read from 1 to n here. Select the subset here. If that subset is feasible here, then only add into the solution. If subset is not feasible, that time we are not going to add that one. Once you add it to the solution here, it is going to be returned here. We are going to use the union function to add into the solution here. Friends, I guess that you cleared that one. This algorithm is telling that we are going to have the n number of inputs here. Okay, among n number of inputs we are going to make the subsets here. Once you add the subset, that should be feasible. If it is feasible, we are going to add into the solution. Once we added that one, we are going to return that one. Okay, now for greedy algorithm we are going to study one important algorithm, that is the optimal merge pattern here. Okay, the name of the algorithm is the optimal merge pattern. What it is telling, mainly this algorithm is related to the merging of two or more sorted files in a single sorted file here. Okay, we are going to have the multiple sorted files are available here. Among that multiple files, now we are going to merge that one. Okay, while merging that one, we are going to identify the, or we are going to make the subset of the inputs here. While making the subset, that should satisfy the constraint here. Okay, how we are going to solve this one? Assume like here we are having the 6 number of files here. Okay, x1 to x6 here. Each file is having the size is 2. Okay, each file is having the sizes here. Okay, the x1 file is having 2 here, x2 file is having 3 here, x3, x4, x5, x6 is having the respective file size also. In the first step, what we are going to do, once we got the file sizes, now we are going to make in a sorted order here. Already the file size is given in a sorted order. Due to that reason, we are not going to sort them again. Okay, constraint is that for that reason, initially what we are going to do, we are going to make the 2 files size here. Okay, 2 and the 3. Okay, 2 plus 3 will be 5 now. Okay, this 5 and the 5, how much we will get? 10 here. Okay, 5 plus 7, how much we will get? 12 here, right? Means that instead of adding next 2 file here, I am going to merge them. 5 plus 5 will be 10. Due to that reason, I will add 5 and the 5 here. Means I got the 10 here. Initially 2 plus 3 will be 5 here. Okay, and the 2 plus 3 will be 5 here. Okay, next I added the next file number 5 here. 5 plus 5 will be 10 now. Okay, now if you added 10 plus 7, that will be 17. Due to that reason, what I will do, I am not going to add that one. Instead of taking the 10 and 7, I will take the 7 and the 9 here, because that will be lesser than the 17. 7 plus 9 will be 16. So I will add 7 plus 9 equal to 16 now. Okay, I will add it to 7 and 9 will be 16 now. Make this one 9, 16 now. Now I got one 10 here, one 16 here. I need to add, if you added 13 to 16, that will be 29 here. If I added 10 and 13, I got the 23. Instead of adding to the 16, I will add 13 to the 10 here. Okay, 10 plus 13 will be 23 now. I hope I clear. Now 23 plus 16 will be 39. This is our optimal solution here. How we are going to identify this one? This will be the round circle marks is there, no, 5 and 10, 23, okay, and we got the 16 and at the end we got the 39. Total optimal solution will be 93 here. Okay, important thing here friends, the children are going to be marked as a rectangle here. Okay, root will be marked as a in a circle. That one file size initially marked as a rectangle here. If you added that one into the file, no, that will be the 5 here. Okay, I hope I cleared how that algorithm works. Okay, algorithm, we are going to take the n number of programs here and the m number of the tapes here. Initially I will add this one, tape will be initialized to 0. I'm having the n number of inputs here. I am going to read from 1 to n here. Okay, simple algorithm. We are going to make the permutation here for the tape by taking the input j here. Okay, simply what we are going to do here, we are going to make the multiple permutations here while choosing the different file size here. Here condition is that whenever you are going to add the two files, that should be lesser than the if you adding the next file size here. Due to that you are going to take the mod also. Okay, at the end friends, what the greedy optimal merge pattern is telling like that, initially we are going to make that one. Please concentrate here, I will summarize once again. Take the file sizes here. Okay, file sizes are initially set arranged into the ascending order here. Okay, add the two minimum file size first, optimal. Okay, two minimum file size, 2 and the 3 here, it will be 5 now. Take the 5 plus 5 will be 10. If you added 5 and the 7, that will be 12 here. Due to that reason I will add to the existed file only. 5 plus 5 will be 10 now. Now we got the 10 here. If you added 10 to 7 here, 10 plus 7 will be 17. Due to that reason I am not going to add this one. 7 plus 9 will be 16 now. Due to that reason I added 7 and 9 into the 16 now. Next remaining will be 13. If you add it to the 16, 16 plus 13 will be how much we got? 29. Due to that reason 10 plus 13 will be 23 now. 23 plus 16 will be 39 here. Okay, this will the optimal now. Now we are going to add them 5, 10, 23 and 16 and 39. Total optimal merge solution will be the 93 here. Okay, please trace this algorithm. If you get any doubt, please let me know through the WhatsApp. Thank you.